To download the Disney Plus app on your Mac, start by opening the App Store on your device. You can do this by clicking on the App Store icon in your dock or by searching for it in the Spotlight search. Once the App Store is open, click on the search bar at the top of the window and type in Disney Plus. Press Enter to initiate the search and the Disney Plus app should appear in the search results. Click on the Disney Plus app icon to go to its page in the App Store. On this page, you will see a button that says Get or Install. Depending on whether you have previously downloaded the app, click on this button to begin the download process. If you are not already signed in to the App Store, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Enter this information to continue with the download. Once the download is complete, click on the Open button to launch the Disney Plus app. You will then be prompted to sign in to your Disney Plus account or create a new one if you do not already have one. Enter your email address and password to sign in, or follow the prompts to create a new account. After signing in, you will have access to all of the content available on Disney Plus, including movies, TV shows, and original content, to ensure that you can access the Disney Plus app easily in the future. Consider adding it to your dock. You can do this by finding the Disney Plus app in your Applications folder, dragging it to the dock, and dropping it in your desired location. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download and install the Disney Plus app on your Mac. Remember to always keep your operating system and apps up to date to ensure that you have the latest features and security updates.